Think gardening ends after summer? Think again. Fall is actually one of the best times to plant. Here's why you should start your fall garden today. Alright, let's bust a myth. Fall isn't the end. It's the secret season. Cooler days mean plants aren't sweating it out, so they stress less. The soil? It holds onto summer's warmth, so roots keep growing even when the air feels crisp. And pests take a break, which means fewer chewed leaves and cleaner crops. Cool air, warm soil, fewer bugs. That combo sets you up for strong, steady growth. Now, the fun part. What to plant? Leafy greens first. Spinach loves the chill. It gets sweeter as temps drop. Kale? A frost kiss makes it tender and bold. Lettuce grows fast, so you can harvest baby leaves in no time. Spinach, kale. Lettuce. Root crops are fall superstars. Carrots dig deep and turn sugary as nights cool. Beets give you roots and tasty greens. 2 harvests in 1. Radishes are lightning fast. Some are ready in 3 to 4 weeks. Carrots, beets, radishes. Plant for spring too. Garlic goes in now, sleeps through winter, and wakes up strong. Big bulbs by early summer. Onions, sets, or seedlings. Also love a fall start where winters are mild or with protection in colder zones. Garlic onions. Don't forget cool season favorites. Broccoli forms tight heads in the chill. It hates heat, but thrives in fall. Cauliflower appreciates steady temps. Plant now for smooth, creamy curds. Broccoli, cauliflower. Quick tips to win your fall garden. Tip 1. Water deeply. Fall winds can dry soil, so soak the root zone less often but more thoroughly to push roots down. Tip 2. Mulch. A 2 to 3 inch layer. Straw, shredded leaves, or compost. Locks in moisture and insulates roots. Tip 3. Know your frost dates. Check your first expected frost and count backward from harvest days on seed packets. Running late? Choose quick maturing varieties. Bonus. Keep a simple frost cover handy. Row cover old sheet cold frame to add a few degrees on chilly nights. Here's the payoff. Stronger roots, fewer pests, a serious head start for spring. You'll step into next season already growing. If this helped, tap like, subscribe for more easy garden wins, and share these fall gardening tips with a friend who thinks the season is over. It's not. Your garden is just getting started.